Hey, what's up guys? Really excited to show you this basement. We have this great decorative trim wall here. In this case, we were hiding the Bilco door entrance. We utilized this wall to hide that entrance, but it also helped us to put this beautiful decorative trim wall here, hide an electrical service here as well. So it's a really nice feature wall. And then what we'll do is we're gonna go through this whole basement, about 1,650 square feet. And it's really cool. So we got these double glass French doors here. We created what was supposed to originally be two separate rooms, but I felt like those rooms were a little small. So we eliminated the wall going down the middle, but they still use this room as a dual function, being a music room and also a gaming room. And then just opened it up. I think it was the right move, and homeowners do agree. We had a couple columns here that we had to work around, but then when we come back out to the main area, we got the pool table here, which is really nice setup. Right in the middle of the basement, you can see the TV, the family area. We got the countertop here with a place to sit when you're playing pool. And as you come over here, we had a little nook over here. So I thought this was a great place to set up, the wet bar and have a little countertop area here. So as you come through here, we got the TV set up in the family room. We have a utility room back here, but I didn't want to have an awkward door here. I love how symmetrical this is. So we're going to show you how we get in there in a little bit, but really nice, cozy family room. We're going to come back over here, and a lot of obstacles and challenges in this basement, and one of them was columns. There was another two columns right here, so we created a bookshelf. And what we did was we mirrored that bookshelf on this side, which turned out to be a great idea because it looks like a really nice entrance. Then we come over here to the bathroom. I originally was starting with a design that came out here, but with this column it was a little close. By angling this corner, it actually changed everything. So now we got a full bath right here. Cool pirate theme in here, which I happen to love. That's great. And a great bathroom. And now that brings us to this part of the basement where this is the entrance coming from upstairs. I talk about this wall a lot, how important it is. You don't want to come down and see just a series of doors. We had to get into the utility room. So over here we put the bookshelf door to get into the utility room, which is great. And then they also needed a pantry close to the upstairs. So we put these double panel wall here and put the pantry right here. So this is like a million times nicer than coming down these stairs and just seeing a series of doors along this wall. And then we even put a bookshelf here as well. So you see that when you come down the stairs. Of course, we open up the stairs as much as we can. And in this case, there was a couple columns right there, so that's as far as we can go. And then just to conclude, coming into this last part of the basement, we use this as a craft room. And this worked out really nice. It was supposed to be for the kids and crafts. And during the pandemic, she started a home business and started working from here. So it actually worked out fantastic. So if you come in here, you'll see, originally slated for the kids, there's a little kids playhouse right there. And it's a nice room, great place for them to get work done. But we still had to get in that utility room. So what we did was we created the double bookshelf hidden door here to get into that utility room, which actually works out fantastic. So just wanted to thank you guys for taking this tour with me. I hope you enjoyed it. Really sharp basement, and I want you to know sky's the limit. Anything you could dream up, we could build, and this basement just came out fantastic. We were really fortunate to work with these homeowners. They were just great people, and super proud of the shop. Thank you.